Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're making a 7-layer salad. Start by crisping 12 ounces of bacon. I'm just going to cut the bacon into small pieces and fry it in the skillet. Once done, put the bacon on a paper towel to cool and drain off the excess oil. Let's prepare the dressing. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of sour cream, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and mix well. Now let's put the salad together. First, get 1 head of lettuce, remove the core and cut it into bite-sized pieces, and add it to a clear salad bowl. Dice 2 medium red onions and add to the salad bowl. Chop 1 cauliflower in small pieces. Add 12 ounces of frozen peas that have been thawed. Add and spread out the dressing. Add 2 cups of finely shredded cheese. Sprinkle on the bacon. And that is your 7-layer salad, a classic family favorite. Thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.